As usual, trading with Market Cipher. And if you're new to this channel, the name is Nupa. I used to be a former server moderator and also a consultant for Market Cipher, which is a trading script. A trading script is more or less like a reference data that gives you insights into the very direction of an asset. So the world is more or less like about data, right? Data is a raw fact, and Market Cipher is more or less like a data that gives you insight. Well, if you did about it, if you read something about database, you appreciate Market Cipher from the standpoint of data. So it's like when you're trading, right? Everybody has their own way of trading, and I'm not going to act as if I have the best trading methodology for anybody. No, I'm basically trying to teach you guys how to use a script. And again, a script is not for free. I mean, you can't program the script and sell it for free. You understand? Not sell it. You understand? Like there's work done. So basically, I'm not trying to plug you something. I'm just trying to help you understand how Market Cipher works. Market Cipher shows you two most important things that every asset is backed by. See, the problem with most people is they think trading is all about up and down, buying and selling. But you have to realize that you are buying and selling using informed data, right? All these scripts that you're seeing, all these Ichimoku Cloud and Fibonacci, these are data that shows you this is happening to the asset, this is what's happening. So it's like it's player versus player, skill versus skill. If you don't have so much knowledge or so much data at your disposal, you are losing to the other guy who has enough data. And the thing is, you are trading with millions of people all over the world, and everybody's trying to bet on the very ups and downs of the price or the price of an asset. And everybody is not gambling. This trading is not gambling. Basically, trading is you are trying to buy something using the data. And if you don't have any data, then it's guessing. You understand? So you don't have to guess in a very competitive market whereby the other person is not guessing. So you have to understand that once you are making financial entries, it should be backed by some levels of informed data. So Market Cipher is that kind of a data for you. I'm trying to break it down. So we have a lot of scripts, thousands, I don't know, plenty of them. Everybody has their own trading strategy. But what Market Cipher does is it simplifies it. It gives you two most important things: momentum, which is a force. A force is a pull or push of an object. Money flow, which is liquid. Liquid is more or less like cash or money back in an asset. So let's go back and let's see the direction of how liquid works. Liquid moves. Obviously, movement is a proof of life. So once liquid is moving, you will realize the life of the asset is either going up or down. So when it's in the red, when it's in the negative territories, it means money is leaving the asset. This is just basic common sense. I mean, come on, people. It's basic common sense. If money is leaving the asset, price goes down, it turns to red. When money goes into the asset, it turns to green. Basically, you understand? And I'm using a 4 hour time frame, so money moves on every 4 hour period. So imagine if money is down like here, like this. It means it's not like the overall money supply back in Bitcoin has it that if the overall money supply back in Bitcoin goes to zero, that means Bitcoin is zero. You understand? But it means money is leaving the asset. In other words, people are selling the asset. See, trading is different from spot trading. You know, a lot of people think spot trading is actual trading. Some people buy Bitcoin hoping that it goes up. Those are different. And some people also trade ups and downs. The ups and downs of Bitcoin are those who trading Bitcoin are not those who are affecting Bitcoin. It's those who are buying and selling. You know what I'm saying? Trading is basically betting on the price of assets go up and down on different time frames. You understand? But selling is more or less like you are taking your money out of the asset. Does it make sense? So Market Cipher shows you the money flow, whether it's going up or it's going down. When it's going down, it means people are selling. Selling is what affects the price. It's a demand and supply world. You understand? Buying and selling. So when a lot of people are selling, the price goes down, and a lot of people are buying, the price goes up. So money flow more or less like shows you the direction of where money is. So a lot of people are selling. That's why we are in the negative territories now. People are trying to buy Bitcoin, so price keeps going up. Now money is in the negative, sorry, the positive territories. Make no mistake, there is a mediator line that divides the halves into two. You have the positive and you have the negative. So it's an inverse relationship. Whatever happens here at the top also is the inverse relationship. This makes it easier for you to understand the positive regions are for buying, not necessarily only buying, but it shows you the positive are for buying and the negative is also for selling. But again, you can, if you're a skilled trader, you can navigate your way around using Market Cipher. But I'm trying to give you the basics. So what happened right now is you saw momentum printing a green dot here, and momentum started moving upward into the positive territory. So what happened to price? price went up. So let's say you could have probably entered along here 19,000. From the time that momentum printed a green dot here, and momentum started climbing up into the positive territories. It makes sense. Money was also already into the positive territories, like positivity or positive movements of these influential oscillators, right? Money is in a positive already, and money flow is also joining the positive. So you could have held on to this long, 19,000, held on to that long till it probably peaked to, let's say, 20,356. So from 19,000 to 20,356. This is a decent win, big people. This is a big win, big dogs. This you understand? Like, what else do you want? I mean, 19,000 to 20,356. It's a decent win. Rinse and repeat. Do the same thing. Wait and execute. You understand? That's market cipher for you. And it's hard once you are a rookie trader, but it's easier once you become a skilled trader. And it takes time, depending on who coaches you. And I'm not saying I'm the best coach out there, but everybody has their own strategy. I respect that, and like I said, there's an academy as well that you can virtually or literally book any one of these great audited veteran traders. And they do have a site as well, the academy and the merch store. It's a well structured company. They do have a Discord. I also have a Discord as well. You can also join. Link under the description. I'm working on the website and I'm trying to put my course there as well. The goal is to help people, empower people who don't know much about trading. Um, Basically understand how Market Cipher works. So again, I'm not trying to plug you. If I'm trying to plug you Market Cipher, is because it works. You understand? It works. That's why I'm trying to plug you something. And I am waiting for an uptrend whereby people will start talking about Bitcoin. They will come into Bitcoin back again. Blah blah blah. It's a cycle. Bitcoin has been corrected much more than 8 times. It's normal. We know it. It's a cycle of the market. So we are waiting right now. People are just a little bit scared because they've probably lost the money they bought at the time that Bitcoin was correcting itself. Another sad thing, Bitcoin, you only lose when you sell. People don't, the education is still not strong. You understand? So I feel like there's so much to it that along the line people embrace that cryptocurrencies or Bitcoin is here to stay. It's not a scam. A lot of people still have this misconception about Bitcoin that it's a scam. It's sad. That's the hard truth. It's not a scam. So until then, people, there's an overview trying to give you the overview of how Market Cipher work. And of course, so until then, have a nice time, people. Peace.